Guys, hello! Isang maulang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, let's dive into the difference of these new troublesome words. Ang confident versus confident. And so, it's another word war that you should know. Let's begin with the confident. And this is an adjective. It means feeling fierce, empowered, ganyan. And totally on flick with yourself. Like, I'm that girl and I know it. Ganun yung vibe pag confident. So, come to think of it, confidence is your OOTD. You wear it para mapansin ka. Ganon. Example, I walk into the room like super confident kasi I knew my contour was on point. Ganon, di ba? O kaya naman, he was so confident in the recitation, like he memorized the whole module with matching emotions. O, di ba? On the other hand naman, ang confident, that's a noun. And it means your secret keeper, your bestie for chika, the one who knows everything, even the tea you swore you'd never spill. Parang silent chismosa. Yan. So, ganito siya guys. Ang confident is that one friend na kahit anong sikreto mo, alam niya, from crush mo hanggang sa k-drama playlist mo. Example, sentence tayo. Trina is my confidant because she knows all the boys I like since grade 5, even those imaginary ones. Okay naman ganito. You need a confident not a chismosa, someone who keeps your drama, not spread it on the GC. No? So, for a memory check, gamitin natin both in the same sentence. No? Confident ako sa outfit ko, pero hindi ako magiging confident ng toxic mong love life. Ganon. And once again, confident is adjective, feeling strong and sure of yourself. Like, I'm confident as Lady Squeeze kahit hindi ako nag-aral. While confident is a noun, someone you trust with your secrets. For instance, my dog is my only confidant. He knows all my drama but can't spill it. Diba? Ang swabe. So, next time you flex sa caption mo and sasabihin mo, I'm a confident woman, make sure you're not calling yourself someone's emotional vault unless you're also that. Okay? So, yun lang. Sana natuto kayo. Goodbye and love, love.